How to enable dual messenger on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Open your setting. You can see I have only one messenger. Open your setting, open setting, go to advanced features, and under advanced feature you can see the dual messenger. Press on dual messenger, just enable, press on install, press on confirm, and use separate contact list. Yes, or go back, add. So you have to add your number actually, then go back. Now let's go back to my account. Then you can see two messenger, this one and this one are totally different. So this is how you can easily get two messenger on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Thank you, have a good day.